body of the late Opio Patrick Awany, who was a major now promoted to Lieutenant Colonel, has left Mogadishu, headed for Entebbe, as the burial arrangement has been planned. So Mogadishu is the capital city of Somalia, and the body is expected to arrive today, that is this very Thursday, at Entebbe airport. What you must remember is from Entebbe International Airport, the body will also be taken to Bombo at Bombo Military Hospital. The main reason for taking the body to Bombo Military Hospital is for the Uganda People's Defense Forces military hospital facility, medical facility, are there enough to carry out the post-mortem test as required by the law. So this is what will happen, that is post-mortem test. And also you need to remember that, as I said earlier, he is no longer a major but a lieutenant colonel, a promotion that he has got posthumously. So up next from Bombo would be taking the body to Gulu City, and the other burial programs would be continuing to take place as planned. Thank you so much.